This is lot 1104. This is a 96 Ford Ranger Splash. It's got, is this a four-wheel drive truck? An XLT?
Yeah, it is.
Four-wheel drive, and it's got this custom box on the back of it. John said it wants to be a camper.
Can you see the rear door?
It's got a bad brake line, it says. Power windows, power door locks. He said this truck is actually very clean. It stops.
It's got a brake.
It's a stick shift, huh? Standard transmission. So I'll give you a quick view. He shut it off, but it says it's 69,000 miles. It looks like a 5-speed. Here's the back here. And I'll give you a quick view of the outside here. Oh yeah, look at those screen doors, baby. Screen door action here on the back. Don't know if they open, but conveniently the screen's open, so I'll give you that. There you go. Screen doors.
Now the rear of the cab is cut out,
Yeah,
so you know it's a cutaway.
right.
So you're not going to put a pickup truck bed on this. Might as well go get you a bed and a toilet and finish it, make a camper.
Right.
But it's a clean old turd. Look at that thing. It's clean.
It's a clean old turd.
It is. I mean, look at a rust free.
Yeah.